How to fix Gmail not receiving emails issues. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails issues. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to open your web browser such as Safari, Chrome, and many more. So click on the web browser that you want and proceed to one.google.com. Once you're here, make sure to sign in or choose the right account that you are having issues with. So, once you have done that, you may now look at the storage right here and you may see the percentage of the storage that has been used. So, once you're here, if you are able to see the 100% used, what I would suggest is to click on the upgrade button right here. Click on upgrade, and then you may choose a plan that you want. So if you don't want a plan, you may just go back and then you may go to clean up space right here and click on view, and then um, you may be able to see the spam emails you have, and then as well as your deleted emails right here. Once you have done that and then you feel like there are still problems, what I would suggest now is to go back to the Gmail app and then delete your emails that you are not using or not relevant anymore. So you go ahead on pressing and holding on those emails. So press on those emails, click on delete, go to these three lines found on the upper left corner, go to trash, and make sure to empty the trash now by clicking on this button. And then that's it. That's how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails issues. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.